Hi everybody, this is Gary Dean with Sentiment Timing, and this is our technical video report for Tuesday, November 7th, 2023. So we saw the markets kind of grind higher together. Nothing like we've seen in these days here, but I'm still looking at where we are and where we've gone as being very, very risky. So I'm waiting for a pullback. I don't believe I'm going to be shorting. I think I'm going to be waiting right around this 42.60 level and see if we can get long in between this buy zone right here. But chasing up here, you're just really asking for danger. So if we look at the hourly chart here you can see our momentum heading down. This little high was your major bearish divergence right here. So it's suggesting that we're going to get a pullback. You can see the moving averages crossing right around that 4,300 level. Most likely we'll get a bounce, but I still see us coming down and closing these gaps down here. And I think that's going to be the good buy zone. But if we cut down to this level, and as long as we don't see any kind of panic or anything going on geopolitically, we could start buying here and kind of wait and see if we come down into these levels here, because you can see the bullish, these extreme bullish sentiment readings right here. This is where your major support is. This is where the bulls are going to really try and defend that, because this is where everybody got. So anywhere in this area is where I'm looking to buy. If they continue higher, like I said, I may take a quick short trade. I'm not too sure. We have to just wait and see on it. But this is a fantastic move. Wait for the pullback. That's going to be the safest way to trade. 15-minute charts, we have, hang on one second, there we go. You can see these are extreme sell signals. So if the bears can push through this support right here, this is kind of a major pivot, 43.70. If they get below it, we're going to see a quick move down to 43.50. Below that, now we start closing some of these gaps. The first gap's at 43.20, but as I said, this is really the buy zone that I'm looking for. And until the bulls can really, the bears can start pushing it through resistance, the bulls are going to do what they always do. They just continue to try to grind higher without any pullbacks, and then once a shocker comes, then they all sell at once. But I'm pretty confident we are going to get ourselves a better buying opportunity. It would have been nice to held on for the extra 100 points, but right now I'm pretty fine with just waiting and seeing what happens. So again, what we have to, the bears, they need to get it through today's lows, 43.70. If they do that, the major support is down at the 43.45, and then we come down to this 4,300. So let's just see what plays out tomorrow. There's not really much more to go over. We're just in a grind higher phase, but you can see we're starting to round off. And once we make the turn, that's when we should come down and get ourselves a decent little buying opportunity. So with that, have a great night, and I'll talk to you guys in the morning.